लाइक अगर क्रिकेटर है तो उसका
हाँ
स्किल
जी।
दिखना चाहिए, अगर आर्टिस्ट है उसका स्किल दिखना चाहिए, पेंटर है उसका स्किल दिखना चाहिए। ऐसे एनकाउंटर स्पेशलिस्ट का स्किल क्या है? अगर वो गन को फ्लिप नहीं कर पाएगा तो फिर वो तकिया कलाम नहीं बनता है। एट द सेम टाइम आई फील यू एन एक्टर, मीडियम शुड नॉट बी एन इशू. You have to put your work out there.
Hello everyone, welcome to Peeping Moon. I'm Rashita Sahani and today I'll be chatting with Angad Bedi, who's all set to impress Mumbai and all of India with his web show Mumbai. Hi Angad, welcome to Peeping Moon.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm good. How have you been?
Good, good. Very excited. We have a show release today. 6
Yeah.
बजे शाम को भी रिलीज हो जाएगा. And we've put in a lot of effort, a lot of, we really toiled hard for this show. खून पसीना लिटरली बहाया ही है हमने. And it's been quite an experience. कभी कभी कहते हैं ना कि you really have to go through the grind to achieve
Yeah.
something really beautiful. And कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो आपका सब कुछ ले लेते हैं,
हाँ जी.
आपकी इमोशनल क्षमता, फिजिकल, मेंटल, सब. And I think this has been that journey. And now it's up to the people to decide. I hope they really like it because
Yeah.
I've put in a lot of effort doing it.
Correct, and
Performing
I
for
think
it.
that's very much visible from the trailer. I watched it. It's action packed, and what I like the most about it is it has a vibe of its own. The way you all are talking, also, there is this dialect that sounds so convincing. It doesn't look like actors are performing, it looks natural. So there are a lot of good things only in the trailer. I'm yet to watch the show, of course, but you tell me, what was that one thing that was it blew your mind and you were like, I have to do this?
See, the screenplay, I think the character for me, Bhaskar Shetty, an encounter specialist, I liked his graph, I liked his journey. It's a story of an underdog, which I wanted to be. I've loved stories of underdogs, and I feel that our country is of people who have excelled, and that 0.1% of the population, which is really, succeeding and doing well, are the people who really believed in their dreams and worked hard towards achieving it. It's like only 11 can play for India in a cricket team, or in any other individual sport. You have to compete with yourself, and the population is of billions of our country, and people representing India or doing even in the film industry. Like, how many people aspire to be actors, but how many people actually go ahead and make a successful profession out of it? They're two different things, and that's the journey of Bhaskar Shetty. He comes from the Konkan region. He speaks the language. He has dreams in his eyes, and he wants to really work hard. And he's talented, and he knows that he's talented, which gives him, there's a sense of self pride in him, which makes his character. He's got good dynamics. Like, while he's not as a child, he's got a sense of pride and believes in what he wants to do, and he has dreams, and he takes that bus and moves to Bombay. And then from there, he becomes he works in an Udupi restaurant, tries to make a living, studies. Then you show his age when he grows up. He studies and trains to become a police officer. He does that, and then how his journey moves to becoming an encounter specialist. And then how he climbs the ladder of success really rapidly because he's extremely gifted as an encounter specialist. And then how it makes other people insecure around him. And then comes money, then comes fame. So the great dynamics and of the character, at the same time great scope to perform those scenes the way they are written. So credit has to be given to our filmmaker Akshay Chaubey, Apurva Lakhia, who's written the story and who's the creator behind this whole series. His writers, Chintan Shah, Chintan Gandhi, Raj Vasant, our producer Ekta Kapoor. I think this core team has made it made it happen. And I think everybody's vision has collaborated well. Even the actors, like there's Sikandar, there's Sandeepa, there is Madhurima Roy, there's Vishwas Akeni, there is Sameer Dharmadikari. Everybody's done their parts really, really well.
Okay, correct. And talking about the dialect, the body language, the action that you're doing, how did you get into the skin of your character? Because it is near perfect. So how much training or prep?
That you're very kind. I just feel that right now, people have only, there is another trailer that's going to come, which is going to release today in a few hours, just before the release of the show. We're looking forward to that too. I feel that when you really like something and you really want to do and go to that next level, you have to really put in that effort. And I feel that when I read it, I was like, man, this is a phenomenal script, but इसमें काम बहुत है. Like, आपको
Hmm.
एक्शन सीखना है, आपको गन चलानी सीखनी है,
Correct.
आपको एक डायलेक्ट सीखनी है. So yeah, we put in the hours, we put in the time, and we had a action and diction coach who spent a lot of time with us reading. We should record our scenes, see it कि अच्छा लग रहा है, in the sense natural लग रहा है, नहीं लग रहा है, because
Hmm.
accent पकड़ना एक art होती है, and then to be in a position where it should look नेचुरल एंड शुड लुक कि आप वो उस जबान में बात करते आ रहे हो पिछले 20-22 सालों से. सो
हाँ जी.
एनकाउंटर स्पेशलिस्ट की भी लाइफ ऐसी होती है, जस्ट हाउ टू, आई वांटेड टू फ्लिप द गन. I've seen
Hmm.
many films which are based on encounters and all that, and there's action, but I've not seen many people really handle the gun. There's more of the style of the walk, of the aura and all that is great, but I feel that you have to show the skill with the gun.
Correct.
It's
Yeah.
like अगर क्रिकेटर है तो उसका
हाँ
स्किल
जी.
दिखना चाहिए, अगर आर्टिस्ट है उसका स्किल दिखना चाहिए, पेंटर है उसका स्किल दिखना चाहिए. ऐसे इनकाउंटर स्पेशलिस्ट का स्किल क्या है? अगर वो गन को फ्लिप नहीं कर पाएगा तो फिर वो तकिया
Hmm.
कलाम नहीं बनता है. सो आई फील दैट उस पर हमने काम किया एंड लकीली वी गॉट इट राइट, क्योंकि बहुत मुझे गन दी गई थी सेट पर और मैं उसको घुमाता ही रहता था. बिकॉज अक्षय सेड मुझे ये गन फ्लिप चाहिए और तेरे से चाहिए, और मैं ये सीन ऐसे काटूंगा जब मैं तेरे फेस पे काटूंगा और गन फ्लिप होगी. ऐसा नहीं है कि गन फ्लिप का एक्शन कहीं और तेरे फेस पर
हाँ.
रिएक्शन. सो ही सेड यू
Okay.
विल ओनली डू इट, and he said you will only speak the language. So Akshay was very adamant, and I like Akshay's way of working, because one, he's very spontaneous and he thinks on the job. Second is that अगर वो जब अटक जाता है ना तो वो अटक जाता है और वो फिर सीन के लिए अटक जाता है, and I like that. So we
Okay.
work well with each other.
Okay. And talking about the genre, it's a crime drama, and there have been a lot of shows, a lot of films being made on this, the underworld and the cop and the chase, everything. But what do you think that your show will work for? What is that, maybe an aspect of that show?
It'll work for the relationships that Bhaskar Shetty has, whether it is with Rama Shetty, his father figure that he looks up to, that character, or his wife Vaishnavi's character, or his equation that he develops with this writer Shirodkar,
Hmm.
who's a journalist. That's also a very interesting graph. In fact, Shirodkar is my most favorite part in the show.
Okay.
That's a very, very interesting role. And yeah, for the interpersonal relationships, and I feel that good action will only look good if the drama around it is good.
Correct.
Otherwise वो कट में एक्शन स्टाइलाइज में तो लोग कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाते. So I feel our drama is very good. So performance wise, I think everybody is very on point and done a very, very good job. So I feel the drama building to the action is the reason why people will get attached to it.
Okay. And talking about the web platform, you have received a lot of appreciation for your parts that you have played in OTT shows or films, like Gunjan released, and there was praises and everything. But you tell me, do you think that web has more to offer to actors than cinema?
No, I see that it's not something has more to offer cinema. See, if you have to really equate it, on the big screen, you get a bigger audience, right? Digital
Okay.
is a new wave which is doing really well and is going to definitely be, it's here to stay and it's the future. And also the millennials love watching stuff on digital platforms. So you have to understand that if you want a younger audience, then you have to cater to them through digital, whether it's a
Yeah.
film or a show. And if you
Correct.
want the mass audience, then you have to go to them through the feature films. So I feel that you need, as an actor, you need both mediums. It's just not web
Yeah.
or films. Yes, on web, if you ask, then yeah, in a film, in a 2 hour film, you can do justice to one or two primary
Hmm.
characters who are usually the protagonists of the story. But in web, the advantage is, as an actor, to showcase your ability. There is a lot more, because a 10 episode is literally 600 minutes, you know
Yeah.
600 to 800 minutes of footage. So I feel that you are there on screen a long time, and then
Hmm.
your arc is defined a lot more. It has its pluses for sure, but at the same time, I feel you're an actor, medium should not be an issue. You have
Okay.
to put your work out there.
Correct. Yeah. And how do you take the in box office we called it the box office clashes, in OTT when 2 or 3 projects are releasing on the same day or maybe side by side, like today Ludo released, tomorrow Chalang will release. So how do you take it as? Is it like a clash or what is it?
No, it's not a clash. There's appreciation for everybody's work, and we all want everybody's project should do well, because the more projects will do well, the more we will work as actors. It's
Yeah.
like we all are one industry. We're not against each other.
Yeah.
We अगर पैसा अगर इंडस्ट्री में बनता है तो वापस वो रोटेट होके फिल्मों में ही जाता है, और फिर और
Zarur.
फिल्में बनती हैं. जब और फिल्में बनती हैं तो और एक्टर्स को काम मिलता है और टेक्नीशियंस को काम मिलता है. सो आई फील दैट
Right.
you to want genuinely, like I want everybody's clash to media hype hai. I feel that I saw Ludo का ट्रेलर, मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. छलांग का ट्रेलर is outstanding. Rajkumar Rao is right now on my top most liked actors, and I follow his graph a lot. Him, Ayushmann Khurrana, these two guys are phenomenal, and they do such amazing work, which is diversified. It is, they both were in this one film together, Bareilly Ki Barfi, which had my heart. I love that film. So I feel that you got to support. This is an industry, you have to support each other, and you should
Agree.
want. It's like अगर मैं कल, I'm saying, अगर कल को मैं अनुराग बासु सर को I want to work for with him, then मैं भी चाहूंगा कि अगर ये पिक्चर चलेगी, कल को मैं उनसे जाकर मिलूंगा तो मुझे शायद मौका मिले अगली पिक्चर में काम करने का. या
Zarur.
वाइस वर्सा, अगर कल को लोग मुंबई को देखेंगे और एज एक्टर्स देखेंगे और उनको ट्रेलर पसंद आया, तो कल को वो एकता कपूर के साथ जुड़ना चाहेंगे, वो अपूर्वा लाखिया के साथ जुड़ना चाहेंगे,
Correct.
क्योंकि ये प्रोजेक्ट अगर चला है तो फिर श्रेय फिल्म मेकर्स को जाता है, प्रोड्यूसर्स को जाता है, फिर एक्टर्स को जाता है. सो आई फील दैट यू हैव टू live in harmony and you have to be happy for each other.
Agreed. Correct. Yeah, very well put. Okay, so thank you so much, Angad, for joining, and it was great chatting with you. All the very
Same.
best.
Thank you. Watch it, and would wait
For
for
sure.
Peeping Moon review.
Yeah,
Okay.
we
Thank
will.
you.
Okay, bye bye.